How to use Assembly AI. Step 1. Assembly AI is an API-based platform that converts speech into text using powerful AI models. It supports transcription, speaker detection, sentiments analysis, and more. Great for podcaster, developers, and anyone needing voice data converted. Step 2. Go to www.assemblyai.com, sign up for a free account. Once logged in, head to your dashboard and copy your API key. You'll need this for requests. Step 3. You can upload your media file to their upload endpoint or use an external URL if it's already hosted. Make sure the file is in supported format like MP3, MP4, WAV, or MP4 or M4A. Step 4. Use tools like Postman, CURL, or your own code, Python or Notes. Send a post request to v2/transcript with your audio URL and API key. Wait for a few seconds, then get the result using the transcript ID. Step 5. The final transcript will be returned in JSON format. You can extract timestamp, speaker label, or even sentiment analysis. Download or display the data in your app or content workflow. And that's it.